Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you check for any specific alerts or reminders into your Bitget wallet regarding any specific crypto or network. Just simply open the Bitget wallet in order to check that, and after opening the Bitget wallet application you will have to tap into this more button. Tap into more, and after that scroll down to all the way bottom, and you will get to see this option of contract verification. Tap into that, and after tapping into there you will get to see this browser right here. You will get to see this option of risky tokens and alert tokens. Just simply select any of those options. You can see here two of the tokens are giving me alerts about risk and other one is alert token. And if you go into the actual list, you can see this type of red sign into here, and this way you can easily check the risk and alerts from this section. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.